Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to explain adverbs. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what an adverb is, identify types of adverbs, use adverbs correctly in sentences. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, Maria walks slowly. Here, the adverb describes the verb. Slowly describes the walking of Maria, not Maria. She is always cheerful. The adverb describes the adjective. She worked very perfectly describes the adverb. An adverb describing another adverb. We have four main types. Frequency, we ask how often, place, where, time, when, and manner, how. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often. For example, always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Examples in sentences: Sarah always studies at night. We often go to the park. He is never late. The rule: before the main verb, she always studies, or after verb to be. For example, he is always kind. Adverbs and expressions of frequency: 100% always, 90% usually, often, how often, every day, week, month, year, sometimes, 50%, hardly ever, 10%, how often, once, twice, a week, a month, never is never, 0%. Adverbs of place tell us where, here, there, inside, outside, everywhere. For example, the children are playing outside. She looked everywhere. Adverbs of time tell us when. For example, today, yesterday, now, tomorrow. For example, I will visit you tomorrow, or she is studying now. Now, adverbs of manner tell us how. Most of them end in ly. For example, he walked slowly. She danced gracefully. They spoke politely. Now, the sentence structure. SVOMPT. Subject, verb, object, manner, place, time. For example, Sarah, subject, presented her project perfectly in the school hall in the morning. This is the structure of a correct sentence. Comparing adverbs, one syllable, short adverbs. You have to add ER for comparative and EST for superlative. For example, fast, faster, fastest, hard, harder, hardest. Example in a sentence: he runs faster than his friend. Comparing adverbs, long. This means more than two syllables. Use more for comparative and most for superlative. For example, carefully, more carefully, most carefully, generously, more generously, most generously. Now the irregular adverbs. Some adverbs are irregular. For example, well, better, best, badly, worse, worst, much, more, most, little, less, least, far, farther than or further than, farthest or furthest. Example, she sings better than me. Now exercise 1. Rewrite the following sentences, placing the adverbs in parentheses in the correct position. Tom is friendly and sympathetic. We have to use always. Tom is always friendly and sympathetic. 2. Sandra goes for a walk in the afternoon, usually. Sandra usually goes for a walk in the afternoon. Our English teacher helps us find solutions to our problems. Our English teacher sometimes helps us to find solutions to our problems. I am shy around new people. Never. I am never shy around new people. Carlos fails a geography test. Seldom. Carlos seldom fails a geography test. Zahir is the first person to arrive to work every morning. Zahir is always the first person to arrive at work every morning. Rami puts sugar into his coffee. Rami rarely puts sugar into his coffee. Joe sees English movies. Joe frequently sees English movies. My mother usually makes scrambled eggs for breakfast. Sammy wears casual clothes. Sammy occasionally wears casual clothes. The fridge, the TV, and the toaster were out of order. The fridge, the TV, and the toaster were always after the verb to be. Jessica argues with her parents. Jessica never argues with her parents. Dr. Smith gives quizzes in history class. Dr. Smith occasionally gives quizzes in history class. Jafar goes bowling on Saturdays. Jafar usually goes bowling on Saturdays. My mom leaves her keys on the kitchen table. My mom often leaves her keys. Sophia catches the 9:15 bus to town. Sophia frequently catches the 9:15 bus to town. Bill plays computer games with his friends. Bill always plays computer games with his friends. Mira is indomitable and patient. Mira is sometimes indomitable and patient. This department holds a meeting. This department often holds a meeting. It is pronounced as often or often. Suzanne can walk alone. Suzanne can never walk alone. Goodbye.